At Medikonda Nutrients, quality is not added at the end. It is built into every stage of processing. Our Fenugreek powder is manufactured through a structured, export-grade system designed to ensure consistency, safety, and performance for global markets. The journey begins with carefully selected fenugreek seeds sourced from trusted farms, following sustainable and traceable cultivation practices. Only mature, uniform seeds meeting our internal specifications are approved for processing. Seeds pass through mechanical and manual cleaning stages to remove dust and non-conforming particles. This step establishes a hygienic baseline for further processing. The seeds undergo regulated conditioning to stabilize the material while preserving natural functional components. Moisture levels are adjusted through regulated drying conditions. Proper moisture control supports shelf stability and ensures efficient milling performance. Dried fenugreek seeds are milled using food-grade grinding systems to achieve a fine, uniform powder with consistent flow and texture. Ready for formulation use. The powder is passed through precision sieves to ensure uniform particle size and batch-to-batch consistency, tailored to application requirements. Advanced sterilization methods are applied to reduce microbial load while maintaining product integrity and nutritional value. Every batch undergoes rigorous quality testing, including microbial parameters, heavy metals, moisture content, and compliance with international standards. Finally, our organic fenugreek powder is transferred to the packing and storage area and then exported to all over the world. We offer contract manufacturing and private labeling options packed in pouches, canisters, and in the form of capsules and tablets. Nurturing the herbs with sustainable practices, food safety, consistent quality assurance, with no use of pesticides, with a bit of love and care. We are Medikonda Nutrients.